Hi, my name is Charlinda and I'm here at the Medgar Evers Library. And today I'm going to do a special craft for you guys. I'm going to be painting a mason jar. I'm going to use it as a flower vase. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have certain materials that we use. And so we're going to, of course, have a mason jar. We have alcohol, and alcohol is used to clean the jar. We want to have a clean jar when we're doing this project. Paintbrush, paper towel. We're going to have a sand block, some acrylic paint, paper plate, and some twine. So what I have already done here, you have to put 2 coats on a mason jar. So what I have done here, I have already coated my mason jar with the first coat because it takes at least 10 to 12 hours for this paint to dry. So since I'm working with limited time, I went ahead and did this, and I'm going to go ahead and start on painting, putting my second coat on the jar. Nice little strokes. You know, you want to make sure that it's completely covered. Because we do have to let this dry. This second coat dry as well. Make sure your jar is completely covered. And once you get it completely covered, with the second coat, you're just going to let it dry. Now it's going to take about 8 to 10 hours for it to get completely dry. So we're just going to do that, and then we'll come back to the next step. Okay, our next step will be, since the jar has dried, what I want to do is distress it, give it that old-timey look. So my jar isn't completely dry yet, so I'm going to show you, if you use the sand block, all you would have to do is just give it a little gentle rub over the jar, just to get that look that you're looking for. Once you do that, you're going to tie some twine around it to give it a little decoration. You can tie it in any type of style you want, just whatever you're feeling at that time. I'm just going to give it a little bow. I'm not the best at tying things like this, but just a little bow just to give it a little decoration. Once I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and stick my flowers in. looking for an autumn feel. So stick the flowers in there, whatever flowers you like, whatever you like. Just stick it in there, arrange it the way that you like. And this is basically what it would look like. I hope that you guys enjoyed doing this craft with me today. Have a happy autumn.